This is an urgent alert. Please stand by. The following tones will activate the emergency alert system.
A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Missouri, at 2:21 p.m. on Jan 31st, 2026, effective until 2:21 p.m. February 1st, 2026. The Mansfield, Texas Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at Mansfield, Texas on 01/30/2026 at 2 a.m. Abducted was Ephraim Joaquin Carmona, biracial, white and Hispanic, male, age 4. Suspect vehicle is a light gold 2009 Toyota Corolla bearing Texas registration NJV5536. Vehicle has rear tinted windows and damage to the front passenger side hood. Suspect is Raymond Isaac Carmona, a Hispanic, male, 205 feet 5 inches tall, 140 pounds. Has black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a black stocking cap, dark hooded sweatshirt, and blue jeans. Suspect has been known to have long hair in the past and typically was worn slicked back. Victim Ephraim Joaquin Carmona is 4 feet 0 inches tall, 60 pounds, has black hair and brown eyes. Victim has curly hair and birthmark on right calf. Raymond Carmona is the suspect in a possible homicide that occurred on January 30th, 2026 in Mansfield, Texas. The suspect vehicle was last seen in the area of Business 65 at North 3rd Street in Ozark, Missouri at 8:16 a.m. on January 31st, 2006. Statewide, please call 911 or Mansfield, Texas Police Department at 817-473-0211 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
This is an urgent alert. Please stand by. The following tones will activate the emergency alert system.
A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Missouri, at 2:25 p.m. on Jan 31st, 2026, effective until 3:25 p.m. This is a cancellation of an Amber Alert that was issued by Mansfield, Texas Police Department on 01/30/2026 at 2 a.m. Abducted was Ephraim Joaquin Carmona, biracial, white and Hispanic, male, age 4. The suspect has been taken into custody and the child has been recovered safe.